In this video, we will see how to do a basic takeoff. We will cover linear, count, and area measurements. To create a takeoff, we click on Add Takeoff. Next, we choose to measure a linear takeoff. For example, if we want to measure the ridge of the roof, we select the measurement type as linear and choose a color. Then, we click on Add. The first thing we need to do is select the scale. We click on Scale at the bottom right, and then select the scale we want to use. We click on Apply. Once the scale is applied, we click on Start Measurement. We select the tool we want to use for measuring. We start and end the measurement with the tool. This will show us the linear measurement. We stop and we can see the length measured. We can save it. This is how we do a length measurement. Next, we will do a count. We click on Add Takeoff and choose Count. From the measurement type, we select Count. We can choose another color if we want. We click on Add. We start the measurement, click on the count item, and click at the point where we want to measure. When we press, we can see how many counts have been measured. Then we click on Save. So next, let's measure an area. We will measure the roof area from the measurement type. We select Area. We select the border and fill color, then click on Add. We start the measurement. We click on Area, and then click on the points we want to measure. That's how you complete a basic takeoff and save it in BLDON. Estimates are easy with BLDON.